Welcome. This short video will show you how to download an image for your art research project artwork. So the first thing that you need is your CSUN credentials, so your logon and password. In order to use the databases, you need to log on. CSUN needs to verify who you are because they pay for these resources and they don't want to just give them out to anyone. So you're only eligible for these if you're a student or faculty, something like that. So I'm going to come to the library homepage, which is library.csun.edu. And here I am on the library's homepage. I'm going to look for these red buttons over on the left-hand side, and I'm going to look for the one that's called databases. I'm going to click on the red button called databases. And I'm looking for a database called ARTstor. And A is the first letter alphabetically, so I don't even really have to click on the letter. I'm already in A. I'm going to scroll down until I can find ARTstor. And then I'm going to click. So I'm going to look for the database called ARTstor, ARTstor, and I'm going to click on that. And here I am. Now, ARTstor is going to ask me to make an account if I don't have one in order to download pictures. So first I'm going to search for my artwork and my artist. So my artist is Jasper Johns, and the artwork is called Three Flags. Whoops. And I'm going to search for that. And it's going to bring up a number of different, so there's a bunch of different pictures. So I want you to remember that these are pictures of pictures, right? Somebody has taken a camera into a gallery where this artwork exists, or maybe it's the museum, and they've taken a picture of this artwork. And so I'm going to pick the first one. I'm going to click on that. And here is a legitimate file. This is a digital file of this artwork. And I want to point out one thing to you. My artist's name, the painter who painted this, is named Jasper Johns. But Jasper Johns didn't bring his camera into the museum to take a picture of this. They got a photographer named Larry Qualls. Now, we don't care so much about Larry Qualls, but I just want to caution you not to tell me that the artist is Larry Qualls. Remember that Larry Qualls is just some guy with a camera who came into the gallery to take a picture of this painting, but the creator of the artwork and the artist is Jasper Johns. All right, so there's two things that I want to do. I want to download this picture because I'm going to use this picture, not some random picture off the internet. But I'm going to use this particular digital file for my final presentation. And so the first thing I want to do is download it. So when I click the download button, it's going to ask me to either log into my account or register to complete this action. So if you register for an ARTstor account, you should use your CSUN email and then pick an easy to remember password if you ever have to come back and use this again. So I'm going to log in and let's see if I can remember my CSUN email and then I have to look at my phone to remember what my password. Let's see if I got it right. All right, so here it is. I'm back, and it's going to allow me this time to download the item. And I accept that. I'm going to come back. So it's busy downloading. I might also download the detail view just because it might be nice to have a different, two different kinds of images. This is going to stick this file in my downloads folder. So you have to kind of know where on your computer is going to put this. If you have a Mac, it's probably going to put it in your downloads file. If you have a PC, I don't know. So, all right. And so the second thing I want to do, so I've now got my digital file. Now I want a citation. So the easiest thing to do is press the button that says cite this item. They have it in three formats: APA, MLA, and Chicago. I want MLA. So again, here's that name, Larry Qualls, but remember, that's not the artist. That's just the person who took a picture of this painting. So I am going to copy this. I'm going to open up my either Google Doc or Word doc where I've been storing all of my annotation information. I'm going to paste that in there, and then I'll be done. Thanks a lot.